I'm David Crunkleton, General Manager here at Vengeance Racing, and today I'm here to present to you the all-new performance packages for the 2016 to 2019 Cadillac CTS-V. As you know, the third generation CTS-V comes equipped with an LT4 supercharger from the factory, and we now have 5 all-new packages to help maximize the performance using that supercharger, as well as both a street and race package using the Whipple 2.9 liter upgraded supercharger. So whether you're trying to make it to work a little bit faster or trying to set a new best ET at the drag strip, we have something for you. The first 5 performance packages that we offer focus around the 1.7 liter LT4 supercharger that the cars come with. The Stage 1 package starts with a basic air intake system, installation here in-house, and a custom ECU calibration to add 25 to 30 horsepower over stock. We also have a Stage 2 and a Stage 3 package utilizing basic bolt-ons, and then a Stage 4 and 5 package to really push the performance from the stock supercharger, including a camshaft kit, CNC ported cylinder heads, and a CNC ported supercharger. All of these packages use 93 octane pump gas and are very maintenance and user friendly for anybody to enjoy. And if 200 horsepower over stock isn't enough for you, then we also have a street and a race package featuring the Whipple 2.9 liter upgraded supercharger. The Whipple superchargers directly replace the stock blower, keeping the stock drive system in place to make it a simple install to add a lot more power to your car. Our street package uses 93 octane pump gas and is essentially our Stage 5 with the addition of the new supercharger, and our race package adds a full fuel system to run E85 as well as a heat exchanger system including a trunk mounted ice reservoir for those guys really looking to perform at the track. So, whether you're looking to make your commute a little bit faster to work, or you're looking for the fastest ET at the drag strip, we have a performance package suited for everybody. All of our packages are 100% customizable, including different finishes for the Whipple superchargers, valve cover packages with coil relocation to clean up the engine bay, and much more. So if you're interested in one of these packages or just have any questions, make sure to visit our website at www.vengeanceracing.net, or you can email us at sales@vengeanceracing.net, or call us on our shop line at 678-513-7105, and one of our associates will be happy to assist you.